Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can get the notes back on Instagram. But before moving forward, just make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now, let's begin. Well, we are all aware of the new feature of notes on Instagram. But if you still haven't received that feature on your Instagram, there are a few steps you need to follow. First, make sure that your Instagram is an updated version. To check that, go to your Play Store and then on the search bar, type Instagram. Here I am having this open option because my Instagram is already in updated version. You will get the option of update if your Instagram is not updated. Then open your Instagram and now tap on the arrow given at top right corner of your screen to open the messages. And here you can see that I have got the notes option. But if this option is not appearing on your Instagram, then go back and tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three dash menu icon given at top right corner of your screen and go to settings. Now what you need to do here is to first switch your account to professional one and then again to personal account. So scroll down and go to account and scroll down and tap on switch to professional account. Tap on continue, select the option that suits you, wait for a while, tap on next, continue, and now your profile has been switched to professional one. Now again go to the account option and then tap on switch account type and then select switch to personal account. Confirm, go back and now open your messages and see if you have got that option or not. Well, most of the time this method helps in getting the features which were not present before. But if case is different, if you haven't received the note option still, then go back, open your profile, open the settings option and then select help, report a problem, tap on don't include and continue. And now here, type your problem and submit it to Instagram Help Center. So everyone, these are few steps that you need to follow in order to get your Instagram notes back.